if you move abroad and you just want to connect with people from your home country, from your continent, or perhaps you just want to make new friends, these are some of the ways through which you can do that. My name is Bennett and welcome to my channel. And before I even proceed, I just want to give a shout out to Nelly, who inspired me to put this particular video together. So shout out to yourself, Nelly, wherever you find yourself. Um, I hope you're doing very well. Let's get back to it, and before I even start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please click on the subscribe button right now and please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, comment, and this is a conversation that I'm just trying to share my opinion of what I think, some of the ways through which people can connect with other people when they are abroad or something like that, or through ways through which people can make new friends. So if you also have a strategy or something like that, you can also share in the comment section so that we keep it going like that. First of all, if you want to connect with people or just want to make new friends, especially you move abroad and you just want to connect with people from your home country, the first thing to do is to use technology. I mean, these days there are so many apps, there are so many sites where you can visit, and the popular ones among them is the Facebook, the Instagram, and these days TikTok, and yeah, TikTok too. You can also make friends from TikTok as well. And when you just go on Facebook, there are so many groups. On, for example, let's say maybe if you are in Nigeria, sorry, if you're in Nigerian, and let's say maybe you are in Germany, you are in the UK, you are in Norway, you are in the US, you are in Canada, wherever you find yourself, you can just go online, maybe search for example, maybe Nigerians in Canada, or maybe Nigerians in Norway, Nigerians in maybe Germany or something like that, or maybe Ghanaians in Germany, something of that nature. Just search for such groups and you join them, and definitely you can connect with. I mean, through that you can also connect, or you can even use TikTok too as well. You just go online TikTok. These days, you just do a video of yourself. Maybe my name is Bennett. I come from Accra, Ghana, and I am currently in Oslo, Norway. So if you are also around, or maybe you're a Ghanaian, you're an African, you live, or I mean in Oslo or something like that, and you just want to connect with me, maybe DM me or something like that. Yeah, and you can keep it going that way. So you can also use TikTok. And aside that too, we have some apps where people meet and make new friends and all that. We have something I just want to share aside the normal, the traditional sites that we know like Facebook, IG, and TikTok and all that too. We have internations.org too. That is a place where, if in case you are abroad, most of the time it's for people in the diaspora. If you are abroad and you just want to make new friends, yeah, internations.org, you can check it out. And then we have meetup.com too as well. Aside that, we also have Tinder, Tinder. I'm going to share it in the comment section so that at least sorry, yeah, the description so that you get what I'm trying to say. So all these things that are aside Facebook and all that, you can also check this apps up and download them, and you can join their groups. You can join groups and all that from that side, and it is one of the ways through which you can connect with people. So technology is very, very key in case you want to make new friends whenever you move abroad. And the second thing is to attend a language class. And this kind of strategy most of the time helps when you are in a country that does not speak English, or maybe they speak a foreign language and you are not familiar with, so you want to learn something new. So for example, you are in Germany and let's say you are from an English speaking country, definitely you cannot speak the language, so you are supposed to learn it. Or maybe you are in Norway, you are in Finland, Sweden, and most of most of the European countries, they don't speak English. So if you move there and you want to leave, you want to study or something like that, definitely you're supposed to take a language class so that at least you'll be familiar with it. And there is no way indigenous or people from the land are going to take the language class, or maybe they are going to attend a language class, because that's their that's their traditional language. They can speak it very well, so they don't need a language class for anything. So most of the time, language classes are made up of foreigners. All right. Therefore, if you want to make new friends, you want to meet people from your home country, from your continent, from other parts of the world, and just socialize with them, make new friends and all that, then the best place to go is to sign up for a language class and just try to attend. And definitely you're going to meet someone who is a foreigner, someone from your country, someone from your continent or something like that, and you can associate with them, or you can socialize with them. So that is another thing that you can also do, another strategy that you can also use in case you want to make new friends or connect with people from your home country or something like that. And the third one too is to if let's say maybe you are an international student or something, too, you can use the international office in your school, because most of the schools has international office for international students. They deal with international, welfare of international students and all that. So if you have a problem, there's a particular office that's supposed to go, or all that. So if let's say you are new in that kind of city or something like that, or in that kind of school, that campus, and you just want to socialize or connect with people from your home country, you can visit that kind of office, international office of the school you are attending, and they have data of everybody. For example, they have, let's say, maybe the University of Oslo. If you are in Norway, University of Oslo, maybe University of Stavanger, or University of Bergen, or University of Tromsø, or whatever university. If you visit their international office, they have data of all the international students coming from Ghana, all the international students coming from Nigeria, international students coming from South Africa, international students from Kenya, or wherever. They have data of all those people. So if you go there, they can check wherever you are coming from and connect you to people from your home country and all that. Aside that, so you can also join. We have associations and all that. Maybe we have African Students Associations. We have maybe Nigerian Students Association or something like that. We have those kind of associations on campus too. So you can also join, and through that you can connect with people and all that. So that is part of the things. And aside that, to if you're someone who believes in religion, like you're a religious person too, you can go to church. You can go to church. And if you go to church, definitely you're going to meet a lot of people and all that. And there are Nigerian churches in the diaspora. There are South African churches in the diaspora. There are Ghanaian churches in the diaspora. There are Indian churches in the diaspora and all those things. So if you're not a Christian too, you can go to the mosque and all that. And definitely you are going to meet people who are foreigners, make new friends and all that. So you can also connect with churches, especially if there is a church. There is a branch of a church in your home country, in that count. That wherever you find yourself right now, or wherever you are moving to, you can go to the church and definitely you can connect with people. So the churches too is part of it. And aside that too, you can also, if you are moving to, let's say maybe as a student, this one most of the time goes for students. If you are moving as a student, you can opt for a private apartment and stay on your own, or you can decide to stay in a school hostel. And if you stay in a private apartment, most of the time you come for the lectures, or maybe come to campus after that, after everything, you just go back to your private apartment or something like that, and you are lonely over there. But if you stay in a hostel, you are going to, there are a whole lot of people from all walks of life in the hostel. So definitely you're going to connect with those kind of people and all that. So you might maybe be outside just using the Wi-Fi, surfing, browsing, or something like that, and just sitting in a couch. Someone can just come sit by your side and maybe you start a conversation or something like that. Or definitely you might even have a roommate or something like that. So if you live in a hostel, to possibility of you connecting with people is very, very fast compared to wherever you are living on your own in a private apartment. So these are some of the things that you can use to connect with people whenever you move to a different country or something like that. I hope it helps. And in case you have any kind of suggestion or something like that, or you have any strategy that you use or in connecting with people from other parts of the, whenever you are outside your country or something like that too, you can share it in the comment section so that we keep the discussion going. Thank you very much for watching, and once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.